Hello everyone! This is Matt Villar and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a quick tutorial on our everyday makeup routine. Papakita ko sa inyo paano ko ginagawa yung makeup ko everyday. The products that I'll be using are the products that I really use. Sasabihin ko na rin kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit yun yung product na ginagamit ko araw-araw. So are you excited for this look? Simulan na natin! Disclaimer, I only had 3 hours of sleep last night. So, kung makikita nyo naman, medyo makapal yung eye bags natin. Hindi nga pantay eh. Mas malaki yung eye bags ko here. We will start off with a bare face. So, as you can see now, wala akong makeup. Wala akong anything sa face. Wala rin kahit contact lens, wala ako. So, tanggal lahat. And, nag-wash ako ng face kanina. So, what I do first before I apply my makeup, nag-wash talaga ako ng face kasi gusto ko yung malinis siya. Kasi kapag hindi, feeling ko hindi masyadong kakapit yung makeup ko. Or kung kumapit man yung base ko, baka hindi ganun kaganda yung maging kalabasan niya. So, I like to start it na talagang malinis na malinis yung face before I put on any foundation or makeup product. So, magsisimula tayo ngayon with this MAC Fix Plus Spray pang-hydrate ng skin. Yan. Para feeling mo fresh na fresh. Tapos, let it dry muna for a while. And ngayon, i-apply natin ang aking favorite foundation of all time, which is Revlon Colorstay Foundation in the shade 180 Sand Beige. Normally, what I do whenever I put my foundation, I just use my fingers. Kasi mas gusto ko yung consistency niya when I'm applying it using my fingers kaysa kapag brush or sponge. It's waterproof at the same time. Nagsistay talaga siya all day and it's good for oily and combination skin. By the way, my skin is combination oily. What I love most about this foundation, talagang long-lasting siya. When I say long-lasting, I apply it like 8 a.m. in the morning or 8:30 a.m. in the morning. And dude, until 8 p.m., hindi siya natatanggal. Ganon siya ka-long-lasting for me. So the next product that we will use is Intuit Oil Control and Oil-Free Two-Way Foundation in 01 Soft Beige. So for this one, this is what I've been using ever since college. So college pa lang, ginagamit ko na siya. What I like about this product, kahit na mainit, or let's say, maglakad ka under the sun, hindi ka mahuhulas. Alam mo yung ganon? May mga makeup kasi na 5 minutes ka pa lang under the sun. Parang, bakit ganon? Nagme-melt na siya on my face, tas ang pangit na, as in hulas na hulas ka na. This one, kahit na nasa araw ka, kahit naglalakad ka under the sun, hindi talaga siya nahuhulas sa face. Yung pag-mix ng sweat mo, yung oil, plus this powder, maganda pa rin yung register niya sa mukha mo. So, kahit mag-selfie ka pa, kahit makita ka ng ibang tao, mukhang fresh ka pa rin all day. Part ng makeup routine ko, yung pag-spray ng water on my face before I apply this powder foundation para mas kumapit siya. So, this one naman kasi, it's a two-way foundation. So, okay lang na gamitin mo siya ng dry. Okay lang rin na gamitin mo siya na wet. So, this is what I'll do now. I'm gonna be using a sponge. This is the sponge that I use every day. This sponge is by Nichido. It's only 40 pesos. Pero, ang ganda niya. Swear. Maganda tong sponge na to. So, next step would be the eyebrows. Siyempre, diba? Kilay is life. And nakikita nyo naman yung eyebrows ko. Mukha ba ako may eyebrows? Ayan po. So, medyo nabiyayaan tayo ng konting kilay. Kaya kailangan natin pakapalin yun with this Nyx Brow Gel. So, this is what I use every day. Again, ayoko kasi na nabubura yung kilay ko. Kaya talagang waterproof, pang malakasan po ang gamit ko araw-araw. Itong pang malakasan na eyebrow gel. Sabi nila, ito yung dupe for the Anastasia brow gel that they usually use sa mga YouTube videos. I think this is only 500 pesos compared to the Anastasia. Pero sobrang ganda niya and waterproof talaga siya. Na-test ko na to with swimming. Na-try ko na rin na mag-workout tapos nakakilay na ganito. Hindi po siya natatanggal. So, ito pang malakasan talaga. One thing about this product, madali siyang mag-dry. Once na lumabas na yung product here dito sa tube niya, kailangan ilagay mo na agad siya on your eyebrows. Kasi kung hindi, magda-dry na agad siya and hindi mo na siya mailalagay ng maayos. So, sayang naman the product, diba? So, I'm gonna be taking a bit of a product. I'm gonna put it here para madali ko na siyang mailagay sa eyebrows afterwards. Ayan, no? Nakikita niyo ba? So, ayan. Yan yung product. Yan yung amount ng product na kailangan lang natin for our eyebrows. Sobrang konti lang kasi a little goes a long way. This is what I love about this. Yes, hindi siya kasing mura ng mga eyebrow pencil or yung mga retractable pencil na mabibili natin sa mga K-beauty stores. Pero what I like about this, sobrang liit na product lang and yet whole day na siya mag-stay sa'yo. So, yung money mo talagang worth it. Ayan, so ito lang yun. Yan lang yung gagamitin natin. Oh, diba? Pak, ganun. Nagkaroon tayo bigla ng instant kilay. Siyempre, kilay is life, diba? So, may mga times na lumalabas ako ng house. Like, for example, pupunta lang ako sa mall, or I'm gonna be doing some groceries, ganyan, or browsing lang. Ang gagawin ko, eto na yun. So, lalabas ako na ganito lang. So, basically, foundation, powder, kilay lang. Hindi na rin ako nagli-lipstick, wala nang anything. So, eto na yung no makeup look ko. Ganon katamad, diba? Ito na, itutuloy na natin yung makeup natin with our next product. So, for our next product, ang gagamitin natin is LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. So, you can buy this at 299 pesos from leading department stores nationwide. So, what I love about this product, hindi ko siya ginagamit as concealer kasi makikita mo naman, dark siya. So, ginagamit ko siya as pang-contour ng face. Ito yung para mabigyan ng chisel yung face natin. Kasi makikita mo yung mukha akong siopaw. Ayan po. Siopaw na siopaw po ang aking face. So, para yung siopaw gawin natin na sexy, lalagyan natin siya ng contour here. And, lalagyan natin ng contour ito. Babawasan natin ang aking NAIA airport. Para hindi mag-landing ang airplane dyan, lalagyan natin here on top. And, babawasan din natin yung chin natin. So, ito ang aking tinatawag na instant bello. Mukha kang instant na nagpagawa ng face pag naglagay ka ng contour. Ayan. So, subtle lang yung pag-contour na ginawa natin. Kasi we want it to be as simple as possible. Kasi everyday makeup look lang naman siya. So, next product that I'm gonna be using is this Intuit Eyebrow Powder. Na, kita nyo naman po, gamit na. So, ginagamit ko ito everyday, pang-contour ng nose ko. And at the same time, I use this as a bit of a shadow for my eyelids. So, usually what I do, I apply it using my fingers first. And then, I use a brush later on para i-smudge na siya. Nasa cooler side siya ng palette. So, di ba yung shadow sa face natin, hindi naman siya warm. Kasi nga shadow siya. So, medyo nandun siya sa grayish, dark. Kaya, we need a cooler tone for contouring. Nichido Cheek Tint in Tickled Pink. So, I'm going to apply just a little amount kasi sobrang pigmented yung product nito. So, dot. 3 dots lang. Then, ayan. So, enough lang siya para magkaroon ng buhay yung mukha mo. Mukha kang buhay na buhay at may energy. So, ang next product na gagamitin natin is this Intuit Eyebrow Powder again. For our eyelids. So, gagamitin naman natin siya. Subtle lang. Subtle na eye makeup lang. Ina-apply ko lang siya sa crease. Para ma-emphasize lang yung eyes ko. Yung talukap ko. Very subtle lang for everyday look. So, ito yung technique na ginagawa ko para magmukhang malaki yung eyes ko. I'm going to curl my lashes. Again, this is not what I do every day. Pero kapag dala ko siya sa bag ko, ginagawa ko na rin siya. Kasi sayang din naman, diba? Pero again, hindi naman siya requirement for me everyday. Pag may extra time lang ako. Spare time, ganun. So, ayan no. Nakikita niyo ba yung difference? Yung here, yung kinurl natin na lashes, nahalata na meron talaga tayong eyelashes. While on this side, mukhang wala. So, I'm going to take my mascara. Marami kong mascara on my bag. Kaya, everyday, namimili na lang ako kung anong gagamitin ko. So, for this tutorial, I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Eyelash Curl. May bilhin nyo siya sa Maybelline counters nationwide. Subtle lang din. Konti lang ilalagay natin. Ayan, okay na yan. Magbumukha kang buhay na buhay, gising na gising kahit wala kang tulog. That's what I love about mascara. I would want to use this Manizer highlighter that I have. So this one is what we call the luminizer, or it gives you this effect. Mukhang dewing skin mo. So hindi lang siya completely matte. Gusto mo naman, on an everyday basis, mukha kang may buhay, mukhang dewing skin mo, and healthy yung skin. So maglalagay tayo on our cheeks. And on top of our nose. So basically, dun sa parts na nilagyan natin, dyan usually tumatama yung light. And then, ang gagawin na tong mismong luminizer natin, iba-bounce off niya yung light particles, kaya ka magmumukhang glowing on camera. So for our last step, we're gonna be doing our lips. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade SMLC20 Copenhagen. Out of all the lip products that I have on my bag, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko lagi. Kasi una sa lahat, it's matte, transfer-proof siya. And after ko kumain, nandyan pa rin yung lip product on my lips. So, nagsistay po siya, I think, all day. Sa akin siguro, ang maximum stay niya is nasa 12 hours. And at the same time, hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng lip liner kapag ito yung gamit ko. Kasi instant to, parang may lip liner na rin ako. So, here we go. Ito na yung final everyday look na ginagawa ko on my face. So, madaling-madali lang siyang gawin, pero it takes a little bit of your time din. Pero kapag may times na kailangan 5 minutes lang ako nagme-makeup, sabi ko nga kanina, ang ginagawa ko lang ay yung foundation, powder, and kilay. So, this is my final makeup look.